Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get bubble gum in Avatar World. First, navigate to the main town area and look for the vibrant candy shop. Once you've found it, simply tap to enter. Inside, you'll discover a delightful array of sweets. Your goal is to spot the classic bubble gum machine, usually brightly colored and easy to find near the counter. Once you're standing in front of the bubble gum machine, simply tap on it. There's no need for coins or special actions. It's a free treat. Your avatar will automatically reach out and a colorful piece of bubble gum will magically appear. It's a quick and easy process, taking only a few seconds to complete. Now you're ready for the next fun step. With the bubble gum now in your avatar's possession, tap on your avatar to make them start chewing. You'll see a charming animation as they enjoy their new treat. Sometimes, they might even blow a big, colorful bubble. This adds a playful touch to your avatar's appearance. Feel free to collect multiple pieces and try out all the different colors available. Don't stop at just one piece of gum. You can revisit the candy shop anytime to collect more or explore other areas of Avatar World for different surprises. Sharing your bubble gum with friends is also a fun way to interact. And hey, while you're having fun, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals we've found just for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.